Good morning, sea babies, and welcome to my channel. Yeah, my hair do look good, but y'all, it's not done. Look, the hair video will be posted before this one, but let's get straight into the video. Welcome to the kitchen. My wire is poking into my teeth right now because it's broke, but I'm having an event, so y'all are about to cook with P. Welcome to P's Kitchen. Welcome to P's Kitchen. Welcome to P's Kitchen. But y'all are about to cook with me, y'all. These are so long. We're cooking a homemade pasta, sticks, so steak, potatoes, and peppers on a stick, fruit, salad, and then strawberry shortcakes. Okay, y'all? So let's get to it. If you clean your sink out properly, it is totally fine to cook in it. Don't let nobody tell you it's not. Best place to season food. So wash off your chicken. You're not even supposed to wash off your meat. Ain't nobody gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell y'all, you really not even supposed to wash off your meat because it actually spreads bacteria everywhere.
My preference is just put a little bit of everything. Put a little bit of everything, but I'm not gonna put a little. But you get the point.
I'm not gonna lie, this steak feels very dried out actually. And I'm cutting on this because I utilize everything and I don't have a cutting board right now, and I really never use a cutting board. But this steak seems very dry. But what I am going to use on this, since I don't have A1 sauce and stuff here or marinade, I do have this. And I never tried this, but I'm going to try it. And I'm going to use this. I'm not going to kill these people by overseasoning their food, but I'm about to pop this chicken in my air fryer grill, Ninja air fryer grill. Let it warm up. But you got to utilize what you got, you know? So I'm going to let this marinate, clean it up, wash it off, let it marinate for 30 minutes while I cook everything else, because this is one of the last things I really have to cook.
The best butter.
You're cooking noodles, cook them till they're almost done. Cook them till they're almost done, especially if you put it in an oven or you overcook it and it just become mush. Because it still cooks in the water even when you turn it off. But cook it till they're almost done if you're going to be cooking it some more or adding anything to it, because it cooks while it's in that other food as well. Don't cook them until they're done and then add them to spaghetti. Then it's just going to be mushy. Y'all, look at how good this meat is. Ooh. Ooh. heavy whipping cream. You use, like, say you cooked it in a pan, you usually would just put it straight in there with all the oils and greases from the chicken you cooked. That's why y'all see me getting the oils from the air fryer grill, and then use Parmesan cheese. Hey, I eyeball everything. I ain't got no measuring stuff. You think I can put the rest? Yeah. A bag of Parmesan cheese and let it melt in. And then you mix some noodles in, mix some chicken in, mix some noodles in, mix some chicken in. I'm gonna put it in the oven with a coat on top of it just because I wanna be extra. I wanna be extra. But we're gonna let this melt and taste it. Should be great though. You really don't need seasoning because that chicken, grease, oils, butter that you cooked it in, and I did put a little bit of butter on the chicken and in here. It's really seasoned already, so you don't really need to do it. This is it, y'all. It's a lot of sauce at the bottom, but y'all, it's so good. It's more sauce at the bottom, trust me. Oh, y'all, it looks so good. I know it tastes better than last time because I used that air fryer grill, and it tastes so, the chicken just tastes so. This crap make me want to settle down. Hey, my cooking make me want to settle down.